Welcome to English 1101. In this video, I will quickly demonstrate how you can find my feedback in your writing, both drafts and final projects. I will frequently post feedback for your writing. If you're using the Pulse app, you may not be able to view my feedback. So when you get a notification that a draft or assignment has been graded, make sure you take time to log into BlazeView from a computer and read my feedback that day. To see your grades and my feedback, you will want to click on Assessments at the top toolbar here, and then on the drop-down menu, select Grades here. This allows you to see all grades that you have earned so far this semester. You can also see the weight that you currently have for each section of the course here and here. And you can see your current percentage in the class here. Although this gradebook doesn't show it because I'm an instructor and I can't grade myself, all of my feedback to you will be listed on the right of your grades here as well. This is the easiest way to see your feedback in one place. As with all learning management systems like BlazeView, there are multiple ways to do almost anything. So if you know a different way to access feedback, that's fine. Use what you're comfortable with. I've just found that this is the most helpful for me because all of the feedback for all of your writing is in one place, which can help you start to see patterns in your writing and make connections based on those patterns. I try to maintain an up-to-date gradebook and to have grades completed and accurate at the end of each week. Some weeks it might take me a bit longer to complete grades, especially when major assignments are turned in. But you can generally expect that your grades will be balanced by the end of each week. If you have questions about the gradebook or my feedback, remember you can always contact me through Outlook, email, or Teams chat. Please remember that I only check BlazeView email and instant messages periodically, so please don't reach out there. It might take me a while to get back to you. And remember, check your feedback in BlazeView often.